Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing because today, I am so excited to share my birthday Sephora haul with you. I may have gone a little overboard, but skincare and makeup are totally worth it, right? So first up, I picked up the Laneige Cream Skin. This is a comforting milky cream and toner hybrid in a refillable bottle, enriched with nourishing ceramide and peptide for radiant-looking, hydrated skin. I've heard such amazing things about how it leaves your skin super hydrated and glowing. They say it is perfect if you want glass skin. It feels refreshing. And of course, I couldn't forget this amazing body mist from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Cheirosa 59 Perfume Mist. This mood-boosting fragrance immerses your body and mind in the warmth of vanilla orchid and sugared violet, while sheer sandalwood mingles with whipped amber. I bought the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. It's packed with hydrating, moisturizing, and balancing ingredients to help you achieve your healthiest, most balanced skin. This product should be used after you have cleansed your skin. This delightfully weightless, whipped gel texture calls on brightening plum extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, oil-balancing willowhub extract and moisture-locking polyglutamic acid to form a powerhouse blend of everyday skin-loving essentials. Okay, now onto the fun stuff, makeup. I picked up this amazing eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Soft Glam palette with 14 pretty shades. It is the ultimate eyeshadow palette with matte blending essentials and glamorous shimmer shades. It's gorgeous. Perfect for both everyday looks and some dramatic glam. I feel like this will be my new favorite for fall. I also picked up the Pixi Glow Tonic. It's an exfoliating tonic for the face. Glow Tonic defines and firms the skin, removes dead skin cells, and provides a healthy-looking, fresh appearance. I've never bought anything from Milk Makeup before, but I've heard so many good things about it. I bought the Cooling Water Jelly Tint. It's quite tiny but cute. The formula is infused with hydrating ingredients, giving your cheeks and lips a natural, dewy finish. Delivering a vibrant, flush-like pigment, this long-lasting icon has a buildable formula, so whether you want maximum color payoff or a softer, more diffused look, the choice is in your hands. I had to pick up the Pillow Talk Big Lip Plumpgasm from Charlotte Tilbury. This is such a classic. It's the perfect everyday gloss, not too sticky, super shiny, and just makes your lips look juicy. I'm in love. It doesn't burn on the lips, but it's like a freezing feeling. Again, another perfume mist from Sol de Janeiro. It immediately transports me to warmer weather and sunnier skies. By combining florals like tuberose, a white flower reminiscent to jasmine, with coconut, vanilla, and mango. And of course, I couldn't forget a Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer from Glow Recipe. It's packed with vitamin-rich blend of antioxidants, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanical extracts. It's supposed to support your skin's barrier with a plumping effect. Who doesn't want that? Here I have another skincare product. This one is from the Inky List. Say hello to the ultra-rich bioactive ceramide repairing and plumping moisturizer. This is a nourishing cream designed to smooth, firm and protect your complexion. I love so much the Glow Recipe skincare, so yes, another product from their skincare line. This is a best-selling watermelon toner that hydrates, gently exfoliates the skin and helps to minimize the appearance of pores. It smells amazing and the packaging is adorable. It gives a cool sensation and it's so refreshing. Love it. I also picked up a few extras like this moisturizing and glowing mask from Sephora. Because a girl can never have enough. I usually buy an eye makeup remover from a cheaper brand such as this one from Sephora. The last product I bought is a restorative hair conditioner. This is the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Strengthening and Reparative Hair Conditioner. Alright, that's everything I picked up from Sephora this time. I'm so excited to start testing out all these products. If you've tried any of these or if there's something you want me to review first, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads.